forever, but I know that you've been scarred. There's nothing we can't have together. You know